If you want to bundle up several luminaires into a group to control them together, you can do this in the tab Luminaires. To do this, tap on Edit in the top right corner and move one luminaire symbol on top of another one. A green circle will appear when the lights are grouped. Now you can change the name. Click Close in the top left corner to leave the group. Of course, you can also move the group to your favorite position like a luminaire. If you have set all the desired configurations, just confirm in the top right with Done. To remove lights from a group, you can pull them out of the group again. Click Edit, double-click on the group, and then just move them out. Confirm with Done.